What's going on, everyone? Today we are going to be installing and reviewing these garage LED lamps sent to me for review. They're made by Plande and distributed through Amlight. These are 100 watt 5-panel LED lights. They are 6500K in color temp, so they're a white with small bits of blue in there. And they come in pairs and work with the E26 or E27 electrical socket base, which is basically your typical light bulb socket, especially if you're in your garage. It also comes with this little slip here, kind of shows you all the specs on it on the right column there, how to install it, different ways you can set it up. As you see here on the left picture, they have them all facing down, and in this picture here, they have the sides upwards to give it more of a flood pattern. Pretty simple. We're gonna put them in right now. Real quick, here's the flood lamps that I'm replacing them with. As you can see, they're the same size socket. So these are a set of 75 watt flood lamps, which are already brighter than your standard 60 watt light bulb like I have over there. So this is what it looks like with the garage door open, natural daylight coming in, LED garage lights on. I'm gonna close both doors, shut both garage motor lights off. There's only 2 windows in the entire garage, one above that door, which just kind of filters some light down, and then that one that's blocked by the stack of boxes there. But shut these off. And there you go. Not too shabby. It actually honestly lights this up pretty good. But not very much back there. So you'll turn your garage lights off, make sure that they have adequate time to cool down, as the glass can get very hot. If you've had them on recently, make sure you let them cool. Counterclockwise, remove it, do not drop and break it. And here's our new LED. You may or may not be able to start it in this position. I had enough room, but if your socket is recessed at all, you'll need to take special care to note the dimensions of this light. Mine is flush with the wall. So now that I got it started, I can fold these all down and continue tightening it. Looks pretty sweet. I'll fold them all the way down so they're completely flat, and then I'll fold them up and show you how that looks too. All right, so mind you, I have a new garage motor here, LED lights, pretty bright on that. We have natural daylight coming in, and it still lights up the garage with these puppies. They're super bright. I'll shut the garage door here. There we go, both garage doors completely shut. Both motor lights off now. But yeah, these things are really, really, really bright. Can work easily with those. And I only have 2. I could technically put one in the 3rd stall, but I don't have a 3rd one yet. All right, now I've flipped all 5 of the blades on each light all the way up. So now it's a 360-degree light, and it still aims down. Still pretty bright. These lights are 10,000 lumens each and have a life expectancy of 50,000 plus hours. They also currently have 5-star review on Amazon. I will post these down in the video description below if you want to purchase these. They're relatively cheap. You'll also conserve energy because LEDs draw less than your typical incandescent light. And they're also rated for -25 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, they're adjustable. They'd make a great garage workshop light, basement light, anywhere you need lots of light. Good choice here. Like I said, good ratings so far. Like what I've seen so far. I'll report further once I've used them longer. But other than that, guys, that is going to wrap it up for this video. Make sure you check them out in the description if you want to buy a set. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below with any questions, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more. Also follow me on all my socials. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.